Hey friend, hey, welcome to or welcome back to Stay Calm. Today it is Saving Challenge Sunday. Yeah. Stay tuned. Let's color in these challenges. Hey friend, happy Sunday to you all. We are going to be stuffing these savings challenges today. We're not going to be stuffing all of them. Like I said, in my budget with me, it was a tight month. So two of the savings challenges that we're going to not stuff is the Christmas one, which we were supposed to start in March, and the $100 challenge. So yeah, we're going to be still using baddies and budgets. And I realized in my last video when I was talking about the savings challenges for the budget with me, that wasn't my last video, but the video before that, I had said budget and baddies. I tell you, sometimes dyslexia. Anywho, we're going to be doing the self-care challenge. We use the self-care challenge for our hair. I did put this in here to show you that I did complete the first $10 challenge, which comes up to $500. We use that for our debt snowball. I took this and I put it in the account and I paid down one of my credit cards with that. And then this is the new $10 challenge that we're still using for debt snowball, so we can continue to pay down our debt. And then we're also going to be doing our emergency fund challenge. So let's get to it. All right, so we're going to be doing the dress today, which is $60. I did, as I was looking at this challenge, I noticed that when I got here, it actually wasn't $5 and $1. It was actually $15. I had to go back to the original and I had to look at it. I'm like, oh my goodness. To make sure that you have $300, you had to put $15 right here. So I had to go back and fix that. So what I did was I went back and fixed that. And now we're going to have $60 in our self-care. Well, not $60. We're going to put $60 coloring this dress in our self-care challenge. And we should have $300. So if all is said and done correctly, I'm glad I did catch myself. Let's see where we have. We're going to add the $50. Put you right. And it's not $50, $60. See, I'm still saying the wrong thing. $60. And we have 50, 70, 90, 110, 130, 150, 170, 190, 210, 220, 230, 240, 250, 260, 270, 280, 290, 295, and 300. I'm glad I was able to catch and fix that, because I would have been looking like boo-boo the fool. What happened to my money? I will update the trackers after this, so let's get to coloring. Moving on to our next challenge, which is our debt snowball. And we always do 5 10s, try to do $50 each time we get paid. Again, this gives us $500. So let's bring out that pink highlighter. Oh, there we go. And we'll start the highlight. I don't know why I wanted to color before I took the money out, but it is what it is. We're gonna keep it moving. So let's get these $10 out. 1, 2, 3, 4, and 5. $10. So that's $50 that we just took out. And let's count. We should have $100. 10, 20, 30, 40, 50, 60, 70, 80, 91. $100 for our debt snowball. Okay, I don't know why it took so much time with a highlighter coloring in. It wasn't like I was trying to be a perfectionist or anything. All right, let's move on to the next one. Emergency fund. Switch out the highlighter for orange one. And we are doing, what are we doing for emergency? We are doing $80 for the emergency fund this go round. Again, I let my wife pick and she chose $80. So, okay, we'll do $80. And I don't think that I counted the money last time. We can count it this time, why not? So that's that $80. That is 50, 60. Yep. Did I mess up? 60. Oh no. I can't count, right? 50, 70, 80. Lord have mercy. All right. Let's put these. I don't even think I put them on. I did. Okay. So I could handle my money with a little bit of grace, right? I'm just flopping it all over the place. All right. Let's see what we have so far in our emergency fund. We have 51, 52. See, it's upside down. See. So it's 200, 20, 40, 60, 80, 280, 290, 300. Let me start over. I just messed myself up. And I didn't even get all the way into counting. Here we go. 51, 52, 20, 40, 60, 80, 93, 10, 20, 25, 30, 35, 40, 45, 50. So 350 we have, not mistaken. Let's see, these are backwards. All right. Okay. Slowly but surely we're getting there. Alrighty. So I did take the money from my wife's wallet. And look, she had a whole 50 still in there. So let's see. We have a 10, 2 5s and a 50, and is this all ones? Yeah. So you know where this going, in the big ass jar. So let's deal with these first. Alrighty. Cash wallets yield for the 2 weeks is 50, 60, 65, $70. And what we're gonna do is take those $70 and add it to our extra money right here, which this extra money is gonna go to paying off. I think I'm gonna use it to try to get this credit card. I think I have like $377 left to pay on it, so it will be completely paid off. So let's see, we have 50, 60, 65, 70, so we have $75 in this little folder. I'm not going to label it, I'm just going to put money in it, and eventually I think I want to use this folder or another folder as a month ahead. All right, so It's time for the big ass jar. What time is it? The big ass jar. What time is it? All right, let's see if I can put this jar in here. It's a huge jar. I know, like, I'll put all the ones in there. Oops, I'm hitting stuff. All right. It's getting there. We got a lot of ones going on in there. All right, and so that couple of $100 that you guys see is $300. That is our buffer. It's going to go back into the bank, and that is it for our sinking fund. So Lord have mercy, our savings challenge Sunday. But don't forget, if you have made it to the end of this video, then you know we have a giveaway to give away. I am going to be spinning the wheel. I'm going to show you that I'm spinning the wheel, and let's see who pops up. Here we go. Here we go. Spin, 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 spin that wheel. All right. Look who our winner is. Congratulations. I will be sending you a message. I need for you to quickly respond to me in email so that you can get your award. And our giveaway is going to be a $25 Amazon gift card. Thank you guys for participating. That was my first ever giveaway, and I know I'm going to be doing more. I love to give, and as I always tell you guys, something's better than nothing. If I can do it, you can do it. I believe in you, believe in yourself, and keep it going, keep it moving, keep it growing. I love you guys, and I will see you on the next video. Bye.